Hi there. Today we will be sharing 6 amazing homemade remedies, inspired by ancient beauty secrets from around the world. These remedies have been passed down for generations and are still popular today. First up, we have the Indian turmeric face mask. All you need is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix it all together and apply it to your face. This mask is anti-inflammatory and helps to reduce redness and blemishes. Next, we have the Moroccan argan oil moisturizer. It's really simple, just take 1 tablespoon of argan oil and apply it directly to your face. Argan oil is packed with antioxidants and vitamin E, which helps to moisturize the skin and prevent wrinkles. Third on our list is the Japanese rice water toner. Soak half a cup of rice in 2 cups of water for 30 minutes. Strain the rice and store the water in a spray bottle. Spray the toner onto your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Rice water is rich in vitamins and minerals that help to even out the skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Fourth, we'll explore the Egyptian honey and cinnamon face mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Honey is antibacterial and helps to unclog pores and soothe inflamed skin. Fifth, we'll take a look at the Greek olive oil moisturizer. Take 1 tablespoon of olive oil and apply it directly to your face. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and healthy fats that nourish the skin and promote a more youthful appearance. Finally, we have the Korean green tea face mask. Steep 1 green tea bag in a cup of hot water for 5 minutes. Let it cool and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that help to protect the skin from damage, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. If you found these ancient beauty secrets helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.